Honda, southbound, south of Charge.
With a Honda, southbound, south of Charge.
Roll down your window. Hey, stay in your vehicle. Hey, hey! 802, 802, shots fired, shots fired, shots fired. 1199.
Southbound, southbound.
He's got a long gun on the ground. Stay on the ground! Look to your head. Do not touch that gun!
Make sure we get fire up.
He's got an AR, it's underneath him on a plane.
He's got an AR underneath him in a plane.
802, I'm not hit, not hit.
36 you're not hit. Where is the suspect now in relation to you?
802, he's by the driver's door. Against this traffic, if you get me, the brake, please. Traffic is kind of heavy. Keep your hands where I can see you. Do not reach that gun.
Requesting brake, requesting brake.
Ready to go bring that brake forward now. Can you advise the suspect is injured?
I'll be bringing that brake from Flores now. 3682 is the suspect hit.
Suspect is hit. 802 firm. Stop moving!
Ready 36, that's 4, copy. Fire.
Do not reach for it! 802, I cannot tell. It's blackout windows. Stay on the ground! Stay on the ground! Do not do it!
Copy.
802, I'm hit. 802, I'm hitting the leg. 802, I'm hitting the leg. He's taking off with the patrol vehicle.
Oh. I'll take it again.
Let's get what's back in a second. Let's go.
Oh.
Hold on.
A10, send in fire.
Go.
Fire's coming.
Help me, please.
Okay, that's good, that's good.
Everybody good?
Yeah.
You good?
Yeah.
Check equipment. Let's get a better search on him. Yeah. Weapons safe, boys. Yeah.
You have any weapons on you? Where's your weapon at?
Hey, where's your gloves at?
Did we go?
Hey, anybody got gloves?
I can get some.
I got gloves in my car.
Is that the ammunition in there going off?
Weapons safe, everybody?
Yep.
We're good, we're good.
I got my shotgun.
Is this yours?
Did we go? Good on ours?
I'm gonna throw my card.
I tried to get out just a couple times. Right up to and said me.
214, go ahead.
So, I had my stuff down. I was talking to an elderly lady who was talking kind of slow. Did he shoot someone? I don't
Yeah,
know.
he
I
did.
saw
The
him doing
CHP officer
medical.
was down.
I saw him do medical on the side of the road.
I saw the CHP officers down, as far as I know.
Yeah, someone was down.
I saw blood. There was like blood right here.
All right.
More gloves, anybody?
You guys have
No.
what?
This probably won't work, won't it?
No.
I have multi-tool in my car. No. I have a multi-tool in my car and gloves.
Stand up! All right, drag him over there. What is your name?
Don't start doing that.
What is it? What is your name? Huh? Yeah, let's keep moving him.
Okay.
My concern is this. Anybody got any wire cutters? Just got a hole in the fucking thing. We
got
still
wire
have a victim
cutters?
in here? Chase, is there a victim in this truck?
Sarge, here, take that. I'm gonna help him.
Yeah.
Hey, quit moving.
Let's get some wire cutters. Cut this shit.
Hey, I'm gonna open up. Who are you? Who are you? Hey, who was that, Chase?
Yeah, that's Chase.
Joseph Pate.
Yeah.
Hey, how's your boy? How's your boy? Shot?
We didn't check him. He was on our guy.
He was up there treating him when I went by.
Where'd he get hit?
It looks like the leg, maybe.
Maybe.
I was there for a fraction of a second.
I don't know. I just saw blood on his stomach. I didn't.
Smack back again. There's a lot of tension.
These are too small. I'm gonna have to just fucking suffer.
Hey, I got wipes. Anybody got blood on them?
Take it some of those gloves.
Let me get this over there. Hey, Chase.
Yeah.
A10, 10-9.
Yeah, just looping in here. Bend it if you can.
Hey.
Snag some of those gloves. We snag some of those gloves.
Stand up, you're gonna walk up part of the road.
You alright?
Keep them coming for now. Code 2, unknown about that second part. Fire's on scene for the suspect.
Yeah.
Here, I'll take his IDs back.
We just get one of their bags or shoes.
Medical's right here.
Yep.
Hey, you want to just leave him until we get your name up? Do that, guys. Let's just leave him. Anybody need gloves? Good.
We're good. We have no suspect weapon at this point.
No,
No,
it might be in the car.
Think they threw it, like while driving. They think so. Yeah, that's what I heard over cross. Okay. Air en route. They can start
I don't know.
scouring the side of the freeway.
I have no idea.
You air, I think. Jay McKinley.
Get on the radio. Don't start spitting. You know where you are right now, Joseph? Where are we? Red Bluff, what year is it? Does anybody have the rest of your last? Hey, Danette? Might have to go back there and make some kind of traffic break or something just to make sure there's no more accidents,
Additionally, Fort Bragg of vegetation has stopped.
I just gave a safety